Oh, I couldn't get it. Alright, so look. As you can see, we're winning 2-0 right now. I just got timed out. Just now. Wow, it just froze everything. It just froze everything. It took me off my Skype call and everything. Wow. Alright, so these kids are hard body trying to make fake proof because we do not IP flood. We do not IP flood, and these kids are making fake proof. It's saying, oh my god. Alright, so I'm about to show you this. See if I can get my fucking call back. These kids just flooded. I was the host of the lobby and they just flooded me, so it ended. I know it ended the whole game. It's crazy. Wonder if it lets me on my. I wonder if it lets me online. It does. So let me go to link skis IP. I wonder if it's gonna be on my router log. Right here. Oh, enough proof right here. Alright, so the time right now is October 24th, 2012. It's Wednesday. The time is 22:08:48. DOS attack, DOS attack, DOS attack. Let me look how many there are. I'm gonna scroll all the way down. All these are all DOS attacks, as you can see. As you can see, they're all from 208, 29, 208, 208, 22, 2208, 2208, 2208, which is right now. I wonder if I refresh it, there's going to be more. I'm going to clear it, and then refresh it, and there's already another one. There's already another one. There's already 100 more. Wow. Alright. Oh, I got to sign online. Hopefully it lets me back online. These kids are trying to make fake proof. Alright, so what happened was, first map, first map, we were winning 3-2, and then they drop host and try to make fake flooding proof, like we flooded them. First of all, it won't even let me sign back online. First of all, none of us IP flood, but anyways, what IP flooder floods when they're winning? And even if we don't flood, but we were winning 3-2. I will show you this. But who IP floods the host? Like, really? Why wouldn't we IP flood somebody else? Even though we were winning, why would we IP flood at all? But why wouldn't we IP flood somebody else, even if we were to IP flood somebody, even though we didn't? Alright, so that makes no sense. And as you see, I can't even get back online, because I'll clear it and refresh it. Oh, they're not holding me off anymore. Oh yeah, they are. As you can see. As you can really see, I'm getting held off for a while, it looks like. Alright. So yeah, and we were winning 3-2, and then they drop host trying to make fake proof, right? And then we get into the second match. We get into the second map, and the same guy leaves or signs offline or whatever, and he what's it called? Oh yeah, and then he tries to make fake proof that we IP flooded him again when we were winning 1-0. Like, why would that happen? And then like I said, I know they're known IP flooders. We go up 2-0. He's IP flooding me the whole second round, and we go up 2-0. And as soon as we win the map, I get IP flooded, and the lobby ends, or I drop host, and I can't even get back online because he's holding me off. And I'm still getting held offline currently, as you can see. All I'm showing in my log, hold on. All I'm showing in my log is known DOS attacks. I'll clear my log, and I clear my log, and there's one already popped up. Refresh, there's that many more, and now I got a whole fucking page, and yeah. It says it's taking a while, I can't even sign in. So he's gonna hold me offline. So this is fun. The current time right now is 12:13. This is the real time right here, as you can see in this official webpage or whatever. I don't know. It says, hold on, let me refresh the page. It's gonna take a while because he's flooding me. Yeah, I don't know if I'm gonna be able to. Oh, it is working. Oh, it works in current time. Okay. I didn't know that. It's like live time. So it's current time in New York is 2:14. Since he's gonna just hold me off, as I'll show you one last time. He's just gonna hold me off so I don't get proof. I just cleared my log. I'm refreshing it, and there's already a page, more than a page of DDoS attacks. As you can see, he's obviously using a VPN. There's no one. It looks like there's a sequence of 3 IPs. There's 72.11.150.46, 62.141.73.34, and then 66.220.6.237. Those look like the only 3 IP he's using right now. So I'm either getting IP flooded by 2 or 3 people, or he's using a VPN. I'm not sure. But yeah, I can't sign on. As you can see, as I just showed you, it's 2:14. So I'll make a video as soon as I can sign back on and show you who all was in the game, since you guys didn't get to see yet. And I'll show you the current live time, just so that you know that I'm not BSing.